In the morning, a news appeared in a local paper that 60 NCC cadets have suffered from food poisoning. This is a totally baseless and a senseless statement made by people. In the camp, there is not even a single case of food poisoning what has happened. On Monday, there were a few cadets who had bad stomach, oblique vomiting, and that was basically because of indigestion which happened due to their overeating. Like on a Monday, there are quite a few of the Goans who do not eat non-veg. Therefore, their share was eaten by the other people who had that. And because paneer was also made for the vegetarian, taking in cognizance that there might be some who will not have non-veg. So a mixture of an additional eating by the cadets was the consequence where it happened. In the camp, a proper quality and check is maintained of hygiene and the items which are procured, because all the items are procured from Goa Horticulture Department, Goa Sehkari Bhandar, Goa Dairy. So all these government organizations, if they are providing the items, these things, a case of a food poisoning can never happen. There are 481 cadets who reported for the camp, and there are ANOs, the PI staff, the army staff, the civilian staff who are here. More than 500 people food is made every day, and when a person makes a remark of food poisoning, so it should be with everybody, because the source of making and the place of making is the same. If a few people have bad stomach, it can't be called food poisoning. It could be indigestion.